Welcome to the introduction of our exciting Sanlam Gap cover benefits and pricing presentation. Medical schemes are designed to provide their members with a sense of comfort and security in attending to their specific healthcare needs. Yet no medical aid option offers completely unlimited cover, and should such benefits be depleted, the financial implications can impact even the best of financial plans. Sanlam Gap cover has been formulated specifically to offer an affordable yet comprehensive solution to bridging this healthcare gap. In a space where little innovation has happened, Sanlam Gap cover will show you that we offer a host of unique benefits and seamless integration with our partnered schemes, ensuring a true game changer for both you and your members. Now, as we're about to showcase these features, let's get ready to step across this bridge together.
Hello and welcome. I'm Sanlam Gap, Executive for Corporate Solutions. With me in studio are Samantha Drake, Head of Sales and Marketing, and Pahija Isaacs, Head of Operations. Now more than ever, South Africans are seeking quality health care, but when they're facing hospital shortfalls, they need robust financial backup to see them through. Our Sanlam Gap range is designed to give them the best possible protection against the unexpected so that they can focus on what matters most, the well-being of their families. Today, I'm pleased to announce that we have significantly increased our Sanlam Gap offerings for 2024. We've made a host of improvements to secure maximum value and maximum benefits across the board. This is thanks in no small measure to the backing of Sanlam, which is South Africa's leading diversified financial services group, a company with global reach and over a century's experience in the insurance industry. Today, Sanlam Group is the largest insurer on the African continent. We operate in all market segments with combined assets worth over 1.5 trillion rands. Sanlam has also partnered with its subsidiary, Afrocentric, a group that operates in the forefront of South Africa's healthcare ecosystem, to develop a number of innovative gap cover options that complement your favorite medical aid schemes. Afrocentric is working to make healthcare accessible to South Africans with the expertise and innovative ideas to excel in four major arenas, that is medical aid administration, pharmaceutical solutions, corporate solutions, and of course, building financial confidence through the partnership with Sanlam. We have been able to draw on these exceptional advantages to roll out our improved Sanlam Gap offerings in 2024. To begin with, we have increased the overall annual limit for all our core benefits to 198,660 rands per insured party per annum, subject to legislated limits. And we have introduced a new product to our Sanlam Gap comprehensive offering for 2024, an oncology first-time diagnosis benefit. This benefit pays out a lump sum of 15,000 rands per insured party for the first-time diagnosis of cancer to the medical equivalent of stage 2 or higher. On top of that, we have increased our additional cover for tariff shortfalls from 500 to 600% on the Sanlam Gap comprehensive policy. We've also increased our benefit limits by 6% for 2024. Those are just some of the highlights. Sam will provide you with all the details of the Sanlam Gap range for 2024 in a moment.
Thanks.
Over the past year, we've leveraged our partnership with MedScheme to study the latest customer claiming patterns in depth. That's why I'm confident that all the offerings we'll share with you today are on target solutions that deliver market-leading benefits at affordable prices. And of course, they integrate fully with our partner medical schemes. We are proud to inform you that the seamless claims process, which was introduced for select number of medical schemes in 2023, has been a resounding success, and to this effect, we'll be extending this innovation to additional client schemes in 2024. With that, I hand you over to Pahija.
Thank you, Sandile. Welcome to our product launch session. I want to thank you for taking the time today to share our 2023 Sanlam Gap journey. I believe a key learning for all of us this year has been our pivotal gap cover has proven to be as part of our annual medical solution planning. The Sanlam Gap product has evolved in leaps and bounds during 2023, and today I'm going to share our experience over the period in question. As we know, Gap is a short-term insurance product for members who belong to a registered medical scheme, providing that crucial extra layer of cover for various hospital or tariff shortfalls for those inevitable in-hospital events. This is why bridging the gap with Sanlam Gap cover affords the comfort every South African should have access to. I will be providing you with insights to the operational overview of the Sanlam Gap product and why you should choose this unique offering. Our enhanced product and benefit design are attracting younger, healthier members to our member base, which greatly supports our strategy of encouraging a younger client profile. When reviewing the current age split of our members, being 42 in individuals and 43 in groups, our combined average age at 43, we have a double-digit member net growth in 2023. The current gender split is 59% women and 41% men. This statistic has been at a consistent upward trajectory, clearly indicating that women are making their healthy, informed decisions in the home. While our economy continues to tread carefully, Sanlam Gap continues to reign as the most formidable competitor in the market. With a soaring member base, our enhanced product design with a range of options designed to suit a vast range of diverse member groups, ensuring limited buy-downs, providing the necessary comfort and access to all South Africans. The existing retail versus corporate member growth is a healthy 59-41% split between our retail and corporate book, a clear testimony to our product's healthy solvency. Claim statistics and comparative performance over the last year are vital components of a healthy and thriving Gap book. Planned procedures continue to dominate the claim spectrum at a 69% tariff shortfall ratio. However, we continue to set the standard with the most competitive claim payout in the market. Sanlam Gap is constantly studying claims ratios this way to acquire an improved understanding of the highest claim types in the market. We have placed a key focus on our average claims to better understand our member needs. Surprisingly, for 2023, it is dental claims with a value of in excess of 4,800. In seamless claims, an important statistic in the 2023 year is that we have paid a staggering 11 million in claims with a turnaround time of within 7 days. The seamless claims process is relatively new, and we continue to implement enhancements in the process to ensure a painless and seamless experience to our members. Service metrics. Striving to ensure we remain connected and understanding our clients is a key indicator in our client satisfaction metrics, one we pride ourselves on, specifically when we experience that our clients' passion for this product is shared with ours. To facilitate and ensure a world-class experience, the obvious answer is to engage directly on a regular basis. These results undoubtedly reflect our good standing with our members. If ever we have learned to appreciate the impact of human intervention, it is in the tumultuous 3 years that COVID has affected the world. We take human contact so seriously that we have appointed specific broker consultants in all regions, along with personalized billing specialists and client liaison officers for all of our esteemed member groups. Sanlam Gap continues to boast a healthy solvency ratio at 106%. This, coupled with a favorable status as a Level 1 BE contributor, an outstanding achievement given the tumultuous period of the COVID pandemic and the strained economy. Sanlam Gap is insured by Centric Insurance Company Limited, which is wholly owned by Santam Limited. Centric has a global credit rating of AA with a sound and stable outlook that is adequately capitalized and liquid. Undeniably, we continue our strong market position, and with your continued loyalty and commitment, we will bridge this gap together. Last but importantly not least, we have reached the most exciting segment of our session with you today. Allow me to hand you over to Samantha Drake to engage you around the 2024 benefits and rates.
Thank you, Bahija. We all know that most South Africans still regard private health as out of reach. They lose work hours due to long waiting times at public health institutions, and they have to pay out of pocket for emergency private health care. That's why we continue to develop tailored gap solutions to assist South Africans to access private health care at a price that they can afford. At the same time, we've pulled out all the stops to ensure that our full cover options provide members with even greater value for money in the year ahead. As the head of sales and marketing, it's my pleasure to take you through our expanded product range for 2024. Let's start with our Sanlam Gap comprehensive option, which is available to all members on any South African medical aid scheme. The comprehensive option offers an overall statutory limit of 198,660 Rand per person per year. And as of the 1st of April next year, this amount will increase in line with the annual legislative limit published by the regulator. In 2024, this option will cover hospital tariff shortfalls at 6 times or 600% over and above the medical scheme rate for procedures both in and out of hospital. Compare that to our 500% cover for 2023. We will also fund the shortfall for prescribed minimum benefits once they have been assessed by our clinical review team. Our cover for co-payments and deductibles, where these are funded from risk by your medical scheme, will be unlimited, subject to the overall annual limit for any co-payments. A few examples of these are MRIs, CT scans, scopes, and wisdom teeth extraction. And what's more, for 2024, Sanlam Gap Comprehensive will cover fixed value co-payments applied by the medical scheme for the Da Vinci robotic surgery. Sanlam Gap Comprehensive will assist with 2 penalty co-payments a year of up to 18,550 Rand for each, or a percentage penalty co-payment of up to 30% when a member voluntarily uses a hospital that is not part of their network. And when there are shortfalls from sublimits on the member's medical scheme plan, our comprehensive option will pay up to 64,500 Rand per event. Turning to oncology, for oncology tariff shortfalls, we will provide full cover of up to 500% for the overall annual limit, to a maximum of 198,660 Rand per insured person per year. We will also pay benefits relating to oncology sublimits for services where the charged have exceeded the benefit sublimit of the insured medical scheme plan type. In the event of an oncology co-payment, our payable benefit will match the 20% co-payment required once related costs have exceeded the threshold set by the member's medical aid scheme. Where biologicals are used for oncology, we will give approval of any such medicine approved by your medical scheme. This benefit ensures payments of up to 25% or 13,780 Rand. In addition to that, we've introduced a new oncology lump sum benefit in 2024 of 15,000 Rand per person upon first diagnosis. Finally, our dental reconstruction surgery benefit is for members who suffered accidental harm or underwent oncology treatments after their policy commenced. They will be covered for 2 events per year at up to 49,900 Rand, less the amount paid by their medical scheme. Now, let's move on to our Sanlam Gap comprehensive, additional and unique benefits. We'll start with accidental casualty. If a member has been in an accident, this benefit will cover all services delivered in a casualty ward of up to 18,450 Rand per event, even if these costs have been paid by your medical scheme's savings account or out of the member's own pocket. Next is the casualty child illness benefit for after-hour treatment of children under the age of 12 years in the event of an emergency. For example, if they have a high fever. This benefit covers up to 2 events per year and up to 2,860 Rand per event. In the event of premature birth, the family booster benefit pays out a lump sum of 15,900 Rand. The hospital booster benefit covers events where a member is admitted to hospital due to accidental harm or premature birth. As you can see from the table behind me, members will receive an increasing daily benefit for up to 30 days in hospital. This benefit covers up to 2 hospital episodes per family per year for a maximum of 29,300 Rand per insured person per year. Our Family Protector benefit pays out a lump sum on death or permanent disability due to accidental harm. For children below 6 years, the payable amount is 20,000, and for every other insured person, it is 30,000. Then the medical scheme and gap premium waiver benefit pays out a lump sum of up to 35,500 Rand if the principal member of the medical scheme has passed away or is permanently disabled due to accidental harm. Our final additional benefit is the Road Accident Fund claims, which includes an end-to-end legal service to assist insured members with legitimate claims against the Road Accident Fund. And these are our additional and unique benefits which are not subject to the overall annual limit. Now, let's turn to Sanlam Gap Core, which we launched last year for the first time, and it is available only to our open medical schemes of our key partners, FedHealth, Bonitas, as well as Sanlam Umbrella Fund members. Sanlam Gap Core is our streamlined solution that only includes core benefits. The maximum amount payable for all of the Sanlam Gap core benefits is 198,660 Rand per person per year. Hospital tariff shortfalls for procedures both in and out of hospital will be covered up to a maximum of 3 times or 300% of the medical scheme tariff. The co-payments and deductibles on the core benefit covers defined diagnostic procedures both in and out of hospital for any event funded by the medical scheme from risk. And it pays out to a maximum of 10,600 Rand per insured person per year. Where a penalty co-payment is charged for voluntarily using a hospital that's not on your network, Sanlam Gap Core will cover 1 event per year of up to 11,660 Rand. The shortfalls from these sublimits that pay out up to 31,800 Rand per insured event where the service supplied costs more than the relevant benefit sublimit of the member's medical aid plan. And in the event of oncology tariff shortfalls, Sanlam Gap Core provides full cover of up to an additional 3 times of 300% of the medical scheme tariff. Finally, if an insured patient needs to make an oncology co-payment, Sanlam Gap Core will cover 20% of the payment or up to 31,800 Rand per insured person per year. The icing on the cake for both our comprehensive and core options on Bonitas and FedHealth medical scheme is the seamless claims integration that enables members to access their benefit with little or no paperwork. Next up, our members can take advantage of the fantastic solution we developed in partnership with the Mediclinic Hospital Group, and we call it Sanlam Gap Mediclinic Extender. And it's an incredibly affordable add-on for both the Sanlam Gap Comprehensive and Sanlam Gap Core options. Here's how it works. All Sanlam Gap Comprehensive members are covered for casualty events, and children under 12 are also covered for casualty illness. But with Mediclinic Extender, casualty illness is available to the whole family. This covers after-hours treatments for accidents or illness, and it can be up to 2 events per year to a maximum of 2,650 Rand per event. Mediclinic Extender also includes a specialist benefit which is paid to specialists working from a Mediclinic facility who may charge more than what your medical scheme covers. The specialist benefit provides up to 5,200 Rand per beneficiary per year. Enjoying alone time with your newborn in a private ward is one of the most desirable upgrades that you can get in hospital. And should one be available, Sanlam Gap Mediclinic Extender will cover the shortfall between a general and private ward. This benefit pays up to 5,200 Rand for 1 event per beneficiary per year. While medical scheme and gap covers have the members covered in the event of cancer diagnosis, there will always be those unforeseen costs. On Mediclinic Extender, a cancer lump sum of 10,600 Rand becomes payable upon first diagnosis from stage 2 or higher. On top of that, members on our comprehensive policy can claim for the cancer lump sum benefits on that policy, which adds an additional 15,000. That brings the total cancer lump sum payable to 25,600 Rand. Then a cashless co-payments experience provides penalty co-payments for diagnostic procedures both in and out of hospital. These will be unlimited at Mediclinic hospitals. And cashless penalty co-payments for voluntary use of a non-network hospital will be covered up to 17,500 Rand per event at Mediclinic hospitals. To top off our product offerings for 2024, I am delighted to introduce our second tailor-made solution, this time in partnership with FedHealth, and it's called FedHealth Next Gen. This offering is customized for younger, healthier members who don't need extended medical benefits. FedHealth Next Gen will provide them with essential cover for those unforeseen events. This includes a penalty co-payment of up to 8,600 Rand for FedHealth Savvy members and 14,700 Rand for Elect members, one MRI and CT scan co-payment for 3,890 Rand. One benefit for the casualty ward co-payment of 800 Rand. For members who suffer a sports injury, they have cover for an external prosthesis, for example, a neck brace or orthopedic moon boot. This benefit is limited to a maximum amount of 1,600 Rand per year. Not only is the pricing of this offering extremely competitive, but we're freezing our prices for individuals and families in 2024. The price of FedHealth Next Gen for people under 35 is only 64.90 Rand for individuals and 109 Rand for families. If they are over 35, it will be 87 Rand for individuals and 160 Rand for families. I'm sure that you'll agree with me that this is a highly affordable and unique benefit. In our mission to bring innovative quality gap cover to the broader South African market, affordability is a key priority for us. As a rule, we calculate annual price increases in line with the medical inflation and anticipated medical scheme increases, yet we ensure that we retain modest increases where possible. With this in mind, we are super excited to announce an average increase of 6.71% only in 2024. The retail premiums for our Sanlam Gap comprehensive option will be 262 Rand for individuals under the age of 60 and only 46 Rand to add Mediclinic Extender. 459 Rand for families under the age of 60 and 104 Rand to add Mediclinic Extender. 526 Rand for individuals 60 and older and 85 Rand for Mediclinic Extender. 916 Rand for families 60 and older, plus 176 Rand for Mediclinic Extender. As normal, financially dependent parents are not included, while child dependents are included up until they reach the age of 27, whether or not they're financially dependent on the principal member. I can also let you know that our key partners, Bonitas FedHealth and Sanlam Umbrella Fund, will have preferred premiums on Sanlam Gap Comprehensive as well as Sanlam Gap Core. To wrap up, let's go over our underwriting and corporate guidelines. There is a general 3-month waiting period, although benefits that apply directly to accidental harm will become active immediately. Condition-specific waiting periods will apply to policyholders with pre-existing conditions who submit claims within the first 12 months of joining. These waiting periods apply to retail members as well as voluntary onboarding groups. However, in the case of a compulsory onboarding group, there will be no underwriting and no waiting periods. And remember, companies of 20 or more policyholders that wish to join Sanlam Gap will enjoy preferred premiums based on their demographics. Please feel free to contact our broker consultants for more information. So not only do we have a wider range of benefits on offer for 2024, but we're also confident that they will offer exceptional value for money. It's been an absolute privilege to share our new product and offerings with you. Thank you so much.
Well, thank you, Sam. Thank you, P. This was a wonderful presentation.
Thank you.
With that, we've come to the end of our presentation and like to thank you sincerely for joining us. May you have a great day.